Well, welcome along to Cavan Online Radio with the Men's Sounds with Michael, Micky. How you doing,
It's
Micky?
me, Micky. Yeah, I'm here again, Patsy.
And we have the sound man himself.
Oh, Dozy, yeah.
Dozy's back on sound.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah. Anyway, what have we got in tune today?
Just random selections from a playlist, and sure, we'll give them a go and hope that the...
First of all, how was your day? You had a terrible day, but should we talk about the terrible morning you had?
No. Look,
all right,
let's put the bad day behind us and lighten up and have a bit of crack.
Right, then.
Right. So, do you want to bull on with the first song?
Please.
Okay, well, this is a tune called Nocturne by Wild Nottin'. And it's just on my playlist. I don't know anything about them, just the fact that I like the music.
Shall we give it a listen and see what the story is?
Yeah, well, go on ahead.
What was the name of that band again?
Wild Nothing.
Wild Nothing.
Yeah, and I know nothing about them.
No. But it's, as I say, it's music that you could sit in a beer garden and have it in the background, pop a few cans.
Oh, yeah, you could do that. Just kick back and enjoy it. It's a good bit of background music, and I just click on stuff on Spotify that I like.
Yeah.
And if I'm in the mood to listen to it, and I must have been in a chill-out
mood to listen to that.
Yeah, so that's how I come across it anyway. And I hope that people enjoy it as much as I did. It's nice to relax to anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the next song is a band actually that I actually saw, so I can say a bit about this. They're a band called White Lies, and they were only fresh on the scene at the time. They're quite popular now, and they were the opening band when I went to see Coldplay at the Phoenix Park.
Right.
And I sat and listened to this set. I felt quite sorry for them because people were milling around and going and getting chips and the beer and what have you, and there wasn't too many taking much notice of them, apart from the likes of me. And I thought that they looked half scared to death at the time, but they put on a real good set. And this is a tune, one of the tunes from them. It's called "There Goes Our Love Again."
Right.
There goes our love again. Forgive my heart, forgive my heart. There goes our love again. Elate my heart and take the time that's burning at the back of my
So that was White Lies.
That's White Lies, yeah. And I remember it well, sitting on the grass in the Phoenix Park listening to them.
And it was a good show.
They put on a mighty show, even though they looked frightened to death.
Yeah.
When there's an awful lot of people there, and obviously a lot of people hadn't heard of them, but I had heard of them beforehand.
Right.
And give the album a listen to, and I thought that they deserved
a bit more.
Yeah. I felt sorry for them with people walking around not taking any interest in them. But they put on a really, really good set,
Yeah.
Even better than the second band, which was Elbow. Big name, but very disappointing show, I thought,
Yeah.
But, I just remembered the album, and that's one of my favourite songs from it anyway.
And what was the album? Big T?
Big TV it's called, yeah. Yeah, they're from Ealing in London, so there you go. So that's the take on them. Now this next one is, it's a band called Circle Waves.
Right.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to hear what you have to say about this one.
Yeah, don't tell me anything about it. Let's listen.
Well, yeah, we can talk about it afterwards.
Yeah.
The track's called Stuck.
That's me. I am always stuck.
Well, who isn't?